When one season in gardening comes to an end and we're starting another, occasionally you have to bite the bullet and clear a previous crop. For example, with these sprouts, I've still got some reasonable sprouts on them, but I'd like to get at the ground to dig it. On this heavy soil it needs really to be dug before the end of February. And you can see there's still a good lot of sprouts to pick, and I can pick those that are edible. And then, okay, what I do is to lift the plant with as big a ball of soil on the root as I can muster, like that. And then it goes to where I'm starting to dig. I tread that in. And just heel it in, as we say. Let me get another one. And that one goes in there. I tread it in, because that helps to keep it upright. I may need to get a stake and just tie those. And there's more here. There's quite a lot of sprouts. These old bits at the bottom, I leave those in place because they'll make sprout green. When new growth comes from there in the spring, it makes a very nice vegetable. Just those young green shoots before they come up into bud. That goes in there. Throw that in. And now I've got the ground clear, I can start my proper winter digging. Get that all roughed up, and with luck we'll have a few nights really good frost to break that down, and by the end of February hopefully all of my vegetable will be nicely dug, ready for the spring sowing and planting.